show you what I'm talking about. You barely see that. With this right here, you barely get a sheet of paper in there. You can see some evidence right here on the spring that it's rubbing up against the track bar. Now, I don't know if you can really tell, but that is a major bow. And it's all just because I put this TerraFlex system on here. So, today, we're going to fix that. And I'm going to show you how it's done. Now that everything's up and off, I got one of the coil springs out. You can see I got these little spacers from Rough Country, and they line up. It's about 10 degrees. There's a little tab right there. See that? But this will correct. That'll correct the spring angle, bring it more vertical. Now the best thing to do would be to cut these brackets off and move them a little bit forward. But this is a much cheaper option. And then I have the coil spring retainers to go on top of it, and I'll show you what it's like when it's done. Now you can see I've got just a little bit more space, so putting those things in gave me about a 1/4 inch of space in between the track bar coming down. To fully fix it though, what I'll need to do is take this where the track bar meets right there and move that track bar just to flip it to the other side to put a bracket on there. I forget what they call it, but I think it's a double fairing or something like that. I don't know. But that'll move my track bar back an inch and make it straight across the whole thing. So yeah, these little angle bracket dealies right here are pretty good. Alright, have a good one.